Jennifer here, coming to you from the rocks at Kata Rocks. It's a beautiful, beautiful high season day, a great day to start the concrete pour for our first ocean loft. The formwork has already been completed, and so the team are just gearing up to start pouring the concrete.
We're cutting down at the front and lifting the site at the back. We're building 34 units, all have got full sea views. The largest ones are 460 square metres, and that's the one we've just won Best Apartment in the World for.